In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fill a shape with an image in Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account, and when you log in, you will either be taken into the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Regardless of where you are, you're going to want to look over to the left-hand column and click on projects. When you do that, you'll have a list of various projects that you are working on. What you want to do is click on the project that you would like to do this in, and once you've clicked on that project, look over to your left-hand menu within the Canva design editor page, and you want to click on elements. Once you've clicked on elements, you'll see a browse categories section. Within that section, you are going to want to click on frames. Now, when you click on frames, there'll be a variety of different sections for the frames. So you want to focus on the first section called basic shapes, and you're going to want to click on see all, and here you'll have an expanded view, a scrollable view of all the available shapes. So once you find the shape that you want to work on, simply click and drag that shape onto your page. Now that you have the shape that you want to work on, I'll actually get two, so we can use two different examples. So once you have the shape that you would like to work on, you want to click on uploads in the left-hand column again. And within uploads, you will have all of the images that you have uploaded to your account. If you don't, however, see the image that you would like, or you've not yet uploaded it, simply click on upload files. And when you do that, your computer's file browser will open up, and you simply just want to find the image that you're going to use. So once your image is uploaded, click and drag your image into the shape frame. So when you do that, it automatically uploads, and you can do it again for different shapes using different images. Just drag onto the frame, and that is how you fill a shape in Canva with an image. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you found yourself having any issues or questions along the way, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video.